Guys, it's day 61. I feel like I'm doing a survival thing right now. It's day 61. Still without food and water. I don't know. This is what I did all day. That's all I did. All day. Missed class, everything else. Slept. All day. So I did this and he slept with me too. We just slept together all day. Yeah, that's all we did. Isn't it, Bobby? So, tomorrow we'll make tutus. Tomorrow we will make... Okay, maybe now we have batteries that will last. Like I said, today's all I did was sleep. Tomorrow we'll work on the tutus and stuff. That's about all I got. Today was born day. You know. What in? Just sleeping away. Sleeping away. Come on. Come on. Come on. There's your baby. There's your baby. There's your baby. There's your baby. Hello. Hello. Goodbye. You going away? What doing? Oh, he's so cute. Look at the face. But see you guys tomorrow. Goodbye.